and this is a tutorial to make a melon or pumpkin farm. I'm going to show you how to make both. First, you're going to need a space, and as like any other normal farm, you're going to need to make a spot of water. Well, a spot with water, a spot with water, like a wheat farm, but you have to make it with pumpkins. You need to make it 2 wide, and then another section wide. So you need to have it 2 like this. So let me just go grab a hoe. Now after you have your hoe, you want to plow or till the grass there. This side will be melons and that will be pumpkins, just to show you. You place them down. You can wait till they're full tall. You don't have to, but I don't. It's just waste some time. Then you put them on them, and I don't have them. Now I do. Skills, right? Such a skilled Minecrafter. And another piece. And then you wait and wait and wait. Just gonna kill some pigs. I know I did mod those in, but you can't really have a good pig farm without one of those. But I know it. Look at, beat these pigs up. Just kill them. Well, I surely should make a sword. I have a sword, but it's only wooden. Sadly, because I don't make good swords. I want to make a diamond one. Choose my axe right now. Fail, I can't even hit them. Should get a bow and arrow, like a death machine. I'll make a slaughterhouse at least. Oh, he jumped over the fence. Oh, no, from the... Okay. Oh, you didn't knock it out. Okay, that's good. 21 pork chops. 22. And farm. That is how you make one brick. Then it's called pumpkins and melons are agreeing with me, and you're not plopping to the side. Just, you can plow this side. Don't need to, but I think it just makes them go faster. And they also need a light source. It could be daytime, or you could just put torches and glowstone next to it. And I'll probably pause it a bit. Probably turn around until one plops over. There we go. As you see, on the pumpkin side, pumpkin, the thing plopped over, like so, and you can take the pumpkin. And now that is how you make a pumpkin pie. Hope you enjoy. And this, and then after the first one grows, like the rest will just start popping down like crazy. But that is it, and that is how you throw a hoe. No, but yeah, that's how you make a non-form. Oh, there we go. They just start popping out like crazy. Okay. Well, see you guys, and please leave in the comments what you want to see for future videos. Yeah. And comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.